If I could stop, I would stop. If I could leave, said I would leave. But I don't know what to do right now. Baby, because don't stop loving me. If it over to my jacoto, I need your love, oh. Baby, I need your love more and more. Because don't stop loving me. If it over to my jacoto, I need your love, oh. Baby, I need your love more and more.
Leave me alone, boy. Leave me alone, boy. It's hard and it's crazy, but I want you to go, boy. Leave me alone, boy. Leave me alone, boy. Broke my heart, you can't deny, but I want you to go, boy.
Oh, said I would leave you alone, girl. Said I would leave you alone, girl. I'm here to stay and I know go. I will leave you alone, girl.
Oh, leave me alone, no.
No.
Leave me alone, no.
I see love.
My name is Shay, but my goons call me finest. I have 3 girlfriends. Don't yell at me. I like them because they also like me. But now, everything is about to change because I'm about to pursue my utmost dream. To achieve this dream, I need to break up with all my girlfriends and win one new girl. So, let's see how the first breakup will go.
I'm sorry I'm late. I was just trying to
look beautiful for me.
Yes, look beautiful for you.
But you know you don't have to try so hard to please me. If a man wants you, he would love you just the way you are. No additional efforts needed. Would you like anything to eat or drink?
Maybe later.
Okay. See, I'm scared to...
I know I'm scared too, okay? Just say it. Don't worry, just say it, okay? Go on, say it.
Give me a minute. I need to use the restroom.
Okay. Hello, babe. Oh my God. I think he's gonna propose. Yes, I know. I think he just is planning a surprise for me with the barman or something. Don't worry, I'll send you pictures. Oh, I think he's coming. Okay, it's coming. I'll call you later. Bye.
Hey, sorry about that. Cecilia, you are the sweetest person I have ever met. You are sweet, kind, and caring, but all that is not what I want, and a woman I would like to spend the rest of my life with. Don't get me wrong, you are perfect. I need a real woman. A strong woman capable of being my life partner. And that person is not you.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
See, I cannot deny the fact that we've had great memories. I would kill to relive those moments with you, trust me. I need to move on.
Stop. Shay, I know you're scared, okay? We can make it work, okay? I love you and you know I'll do anything for you. Just tell me anything you want me to do and I'll do it.
Put a stop to all this already. See, when I first met you, You were like a rain-soaked puppy. All I had for you was pity. And I can't build our relationship on pity. That is not enough foundation. Believe me, I am sorry it has to end this way. But I need to move on.
Shay, so what's going to happen to us? The memories, everything we had.
I am moving on. Cecilia, and I'm doing that without you.
My name is Grace, a master's student on this campus. I run a theatre group called Ballerz with my friend, Victoria. She's the producer who pulls all the talents and resources together, and with another friend, Ibile. He's the executive producer who finances our shows. It's a new season for Ballerz and a tough one, because we are at the verge of winning or losing the biggest campaign contract from Expressive Media, one of the biggest media agencies in Nigeria.
Miriam, Shay, your performance.
And as the head of the team, I direct the show.
Action.
We have the ballers, in the club we shot ballers. We know the border. You know say we are stronger. We are the ballers, in the club we shot callers. We know the border. You know say we are stronger. I'm the queen of the ballers. When you see me, oh, you gotta face that. We're on things, we know they slow down. Stop darling, jamming and balling. Haters follow me like I'm table because I smash them up like a candy bar. Like every other day, we bought the game, we know they fail. We know they fail.
We live in La Vida Loca, like Pablo Escobar. Everywhere we go, we just spread the money scatter. Make them go gaga, I say make them go gaga. You know say the money no be small thing. If you still sitting down, you're on a long thing. This is how we do it, no be fronting. No be fronting, I say no be fronting. No be fronting, I say no be fronting.
We are the ballers.
The Ballerz have been considered for the contract. I think you've lost the game.
Bullshit! Why do they always win when we are obviously better than them? I've put in too much money and far too much energy to get ahead of the Ballerz. And yet I fail every single time. But wait, maybe it's not me failing. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you failing me.
No. I tried. I did all I could to let the Tigers win. But the Ballerz have stronger connection. An insider.
I see. If that's how they want to play, then I'm ready to play by their rule. Toba Kologi, I'm a Folekoro. I'm ready to play their game with all my cards. Wheezy, I have another task for you.
Okay.
I want information about every single Ballerz. Not the good, but the bad and the ugly. It's time to bring back our anonymous blog. To bring down the Ballerz.
Yes. Don't worry. Okay, I'll send it to your email when I get it. Okay. Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, all right. I'll talk to you later. So, are you assuring me that these students who are still in the college can deliver better than those that are already in the industry?
Even though they are students in the college, I so much believe in their skills, and I am sure of the fact that they will even deliver on time.
There are sites that will be able to guarantee that we can keep all the accounts of the clients that we manage.
And they can even win more accounts from competitors.
So in that case, Esther,
Yes, ma'am.
get all the necessary documents and pass it to Wilson for scrutiny. When you're done, set up a meeting with their team leader and get him to sign it.
So the next agenda we have now is the BBC documentary project.
Oh, no. Not today. I have other things to do.
Thank you.
You can go.
All right. Thank you.
And you wait, Wilson. I've been away for 10 days from my baby. No call, no text. Don't you miss me?
I've been busy with work.
Work? Are you saying you miss me but you don't have time to show it?
Yes.
Okay, in that case, meet me up at the regular place, 7 p.m. Okay?
Okay. Can I go now?
Won't you at least kiss me? Come on. Give me a kiss.
Thank you.
All right, see you.
Thank you.
Sugar boy. So,
Now that we have a major contract in our hands, I really think we should make everybody to understand that we are in a new era. I mean the era of discipline and punctuality. And above all, laziness will never be condoned. And I intend to do that. I trust you.
Hi.
Aye.
Wait, are you not happy to see me?
Why should I be happy to see you? Didn't we have agreement?
Wait, but for how long are we going to cling to this your childish mentality? Forever?
Let me help you to rephrase the truth of your words when you say childish. You mean to say foolish?
Oh, cut the crap. I didn't call you foolish.
Childish, foolish, what's the difference?
Babe, try to see this from my own perspective. For 4 years now, I've left you to focus on your studies. And now that I'm a graduate, I think we should...
Do what? Get married? For heaven's sake, is that the only thing that you ever care about? Why are you so selfish? Get married, get married, get married. If you are done with your studies, am I done with mine?
Try to understand me. At least for the sake of our love, let's get this relationship really started. Now that you're in your final year, a formal introduction between our families wouldn't be a bad idea. And it won't affect your studies. And to make things work, I have enrolled my master's program to this year's school.
You did what? You enrolled in my school without even consulting me first.
I thought...
You are so unbelievable.
I thought it was going to help us plan our relationship better together. Please try and understand me.
Let me tell you something. I think I'm still going to be holding on to my childish mentality. I don't need you in my life right now. You know why? Because I do not need any distractions for my studies. And what that means is, as long as you are in this school, please know that you are a total stranger to me. And I will really appreciate it if you can act like we've never met before or had any affair.
Come on, try and understand me. Come.
Please, don't mind anything she just said. I think she's quite upset right now. I'll talk to her and I'll get back to you. Please. I'm so sorry.
4 years. I can't believe it's 4 years already. It feels just like yesterday when I was trying to use up all the strategies in the 48 laws of power just to get you, like you, not you.
Come on. Why are you making it look like it was that difficult to get me?
But it was, really.
I don't think so.
Oh, it was.
I don't think so.
But forget it. I really don't want to talk about that right now.
No. I want to talk about it. We should talk about it. And it's necessary that we talk about it. Biola, I know you love me. Like, yeah, sure. Yeah. And of course I love you too. But it's just my parents. Like, they won't just allow me to do anything else aside my education. Like, they won't.
Well, I understand. But your parents need to know that your marriage is as important as your education. After all, you're going to have to get married eventually.
Well, yeah, sure.
Yeah, so you gotta think about that too.
Trust me. I know we'll be fine.
I know. All right, come here.
How you doing?
Good.
So, the contract. Eja Bakon. Ejani. Look at me. It's fine. Even though we don't have the contract, we'll still have each other. So we can still manage.
No. We're not gonna manage. Because I have the contract.
No way! You're so silly. Yeah. So why did you lie?
This is fair.
Look at you. I love you.
I love you. So, let's eat now.
You know what? No. I think I might add another option to that.
Tell me.
So Wilson, do you want that? Or this? You better answer quick. The offer will soon go off the table.
I will eat that after I'm done with it.
You're such a bad boy.
I know.
to carry it.
Wait. That's my phone. Give me a second.
No, come on, don't this mood.
Please. The call might be important, please. Wait. I love you. Thank
too.
you. I'll meet
A
you.
second, right?
Yes, I hear you.
Good.
Joseph, listen to me and listen very well, because this will be the last conversation I'll ever have. I am married and we can never have anything to do together again. You are my past. And you need to get that into your thick skull. The next time you call me or try to talk to me, I will find you and I will arrest you.
Miriam and Sheyi, are you guys ready for your duet?
Yes, we are.
Okay, come on stage. Let's see the progress of your performance.
For like give me love, oh. Now you they catch my shot, oh. For your sake I go church, oh. We go drive around for my Porsche, oh. Baby pana, they say you like you wahala. I get you wahala, baby pana. Anywhere you go, I go follow you they go, baby pana. They say you like a cassava, get a big cassava, baby pana. My love for you will never die, yeah. If I oh baby, if I maybe you too sweet, if I jabba, my baby dance you do.
That song was deep. It was as if you have once lived through it.
What do you mean?
I mean, the way you sang the song feels you've been betrayed before.
I've never been betrayed like that before. But you know, it's a common knowledge that all men...
Point of correction. Not all men. At least, I'm not.
What did you say before? Are you not a man?
Did you just listen to yourself? The way you sounded right now feels you have been betrayed before.
Yo, my man, what's up? Hi.
No, I haven't.
Miriam, sorry.
Okay.
Can we meet at the arcade later tonight?
Okay.
I have to see this guy and it's very, very important. We need to talk right now.
No problem. See you at the arcade.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Finest. Yo, villain.
How you doing?
What's happening? Hey, later, yeah? What's up?
Finest. I want to discuss something with you and it's very, very important.
Okay, now, so what's up?
I heard a rumor about a new recruitment. Recruitment of my boys under a new agent.
And this is confusing. Recruitment. New agent. I don't understand, man. What's up?
Stop pretending to me. You are helping some boys float a show at the end of this session. And I know you are behind it. You are romancing my talent under a new agent.
Okay, so now you know. What's the big deal about it?
Sheyi, are you out of your mind or something? You are my talent manager for heaven's sake. And you still have the guts to stab me in the back.
Man, stab you in the back, you say? I did you no backstabbing shit, brother. I did what I had to do to survive. It's called moving on, man. A man has to survive. Over the years that I've been carrying this title, talent manager, what have I been able to do with it? Tell me exactly what have been my rewards. Not pain. Person just did. See, man, I'm not here for nothing, but for something. And if you can't give me that, I have to find it elsewhere. What's a man good do? Man got survive, man. Take care, brother.
What? So you mean you said all that?
Even more.
You don't know people like that need spit in their face so they can wake up to reality.
No, but I still think that's too much. Especially for someone of his position.
What position? All that is in the past. It's all past glory. Chances are now up for people with the fastest fingers. Like someone who knows what he wants and what he wants to do.
Fastest finger. Let me see your finger.
Just people who know what they want, right? Just people who know what they want.
Shay, but it's not. I don't know. I still feel like it's too much. You shouldn't have said all of that.
I don't think I would regret anything I have said.
Are you sure?
No regrets whatsoever. You'll see.
Okay. Okay.
There she is.
Who?
You know what? We'll go over there now and meet that girl. See, anything I just see, just play along with me, please.
Why should I go with you? Can't you go by yourself?
You know, she would feel more secure if I go see her with a lady. You know the way ladies are. Please, it's a business and I don't want to lose this. Please. Come on.
Hey, Mr. Driver, just shut the damn up. I told you I need that car. I don't like this one. What are you talking about? I have a party tonight and I'm going in that car and you are taking me there. I mean, why do I have to pay you that much if I still have to micromanage you? Does it make sense? Just shut the freaking up and listen to me. I need that car and that's the final. Get the hell out of my phone. And who are you and what can you do for me?
How? Good question. There's a lot of good things that a handsome guy like me can do for a pretty one like yourself. But at this moment, just one specific thing.
You have 1 minute.
Okay, my name is Sheyi, but my goons call me Finest. And that's because all of the baddest music artists on this campus and all other campuses are under me. I've got structure, I've got control, and I've got relationships. At the end of this session, my team and I are planning to host the loudest show this campus has ever seen. The show would evoke publicity so big, so many of the big brands would want to align with us. Then I thought, why align with so many brands when I have a favorite?
So which is your favorite?
Excel Communications.
My dad's company.
Your company.
So what's going to be your gain at the end of the day?
Well, it all depends on...
Well, you know what, I really don't have this time, but I think I'm interested in the conversation. So how about you drive me home while we talk? That is if your girlfriend here wouldn't mind.
Oh, she's just my sister. Wow. She wouldn't mind if I have a new friend, would you? Sis.
Oh. Why would I? You can just... Then you drive me. Yeah,
So catch you later, right?
Yeah.
I'm coming! Hey, baby!
What took you so long? Are you not expecting me?
I was in the bedroom.
See, whatever you called me here for must be worth the stress of driving all the way from my house to this place. What is it?
Grace, darling. You know we've been friends for a long time. And you know like I cannot betray you for anything.
I know.
So whatever is going to happen, you're going to forgive me, yeah?
I'll forgive you.
And I'm not going to be angry.
What is it now? I won't.
Promise. Promise me.
I promise.
Okay. You can come now.
I got trapped with them. Hours turned into days. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And months into years. For those 3 years, I never stopped thinking about you. Not even for one day. When I finally got the chance to get out, I didn't want to come back home empty-handed, so my hustle began. And here I am today. All glory to God.
God, I didn't know you went through all that. I didn't. So, what now?
When I heard that you got married, I felt that I had lost you forever. But my mind could not rest until I had spoken to you. And I finally did.
Excuse me. This reunion cannot be complete without a celebration. So, we got pop bottles. Ta-da. You know what? I think we need another drink.
Yes. Yes.
Hold up, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Hurry up.
Bad boy. How did I find myself in your arms again?
We're gonna be living together. But as neighbors. As soon as the contract expires. So will our marriage. Listen to me. Henceforth, there is no conjugal. No intimacy.
Susie, no, please. Babe.
Excuse me, leave me alone!
Hello everyone, my name is Tobi Igbenoba.
Azeez Adedimeji.
Aramide, Oloko.
Igor Ortega.
Zolanka Droge.
Emmanuel Kolawole.
Amofalajomi Okinbaloye.
Awoyomi Akorede.
Tijesunimi Olakojo.
Oluwafemi Samuel Ademiloye.
Adetoye Adeyinka. I played the role of Sheyi.
And I played the role of Grace.
I played the role of Biola.
I played the role of Kafi.
Careless.
I played the role of Victoria.
I played the role of Ibile.
I played the role of Cynthia.
Professor Ajala.
I played the role of Rita.
I played the role of Wizzy. In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
We need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
You can donate as little as $2.
And above, if you wish, to support us and to help us continue to produce this project.
to donate, simply go to indiegogo.com.
Search Ballerz the series Enter any amount you wish to donate from $2 and above, as I stated.
Enter your credit card details
and click donate.
With this, you have successfully supported the next production of our series Ballerz.
Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
And follow us on Instagram at Ballerz the series.
Thank you for supporting us.